Tick pullback was the trade of the day. Hit it in both the ES and the NQ. Great entry here. We need these big winners to catch us up because we had some losers as well. So the market opens here, drops, gets in near the low of the day session. Couldn't ask for a better entry on this strategy. Tick pullback. So captured that move. The market pulled back. Seemed like if you're in this trade, it almost feels like you should get out, and then it rallies at the end of the day. I want to show you what the NASDAQ is doing in the after hours. It's after 5 p.m. It's open now, and the market has a tendency to rally in small amounts of time. So all day it just looks like chop. It's kind of hard to trade these. Gapped up on Sunday night, came all the way back down here, and then rallied up, and then moved down. This was some Moderna news. You saw more ES rally and NQ go down, kind of a rotation. So Moderna vaccine news for coronavirus. NQ goes down. Stay-at-home stocks, I guess, sell off that are related to the NASDAQ. ES goes up. And then they both rolled over, and then they rallied back and down and up. And then right here at the end of the day, you get this ultra fast move here. It's just kind of in this channel all day, and 1 minute before the close, it surges from the 11,180 area. Low right there is 11,978, so 11,980, and then by the close it is up to 12,039, so 60 points, and then it gaps higher. So you have this small amount of time where it just goes higher when most people aren't trading, and volume drops, and then gaps up, and so then all the move is really right here in this compressed time frame, and it takes out these highs right here, and it's sitting up here past these highs. This market just wants to run higher. It's running hot. Who knows for how long? Any day it could continue to move higher or crash. So we're trading both sides of this market, mainly the long side though. And tick pullback did a great job today. Tick count trend took some losses, minus 1250. 2 trades, tried to buy that dip. We see this where the market sags a lot in the middle of the day and then rallies again. The end of the day rally though only got to the highs. It's not like there was an extension of the early morning highs, and so that threw it off a little bit because the dip was longer and deeper, and so the end of the day rally didn't take us higher. So that's why we're seeing a gap up now, I believe, and it's bullish. Tick pulsing Q, got in and could have used a profit target here, stopped out, and the rally was delayed till the end of the day, and the highs were made early. Then we had losses in Cobra 3 and Q, minus 625. Gap continuation 2019 in Q, 2 trades, minus 650 on the $300 stop loss variation. The $700 stop loss was also stopped out. The gap continuation 2020 was also stopped out. This strategy is really struggling in our portfolio. Stock index swing hit a profit target. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of the last 6 trades have been winners, so that's good. This trade was a loser, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those were winners, kind of capturing that strong move at the open. And 60-minute breakout, 1 loss, 1 winner. You see that here right around break even on the day. And so I'm working on a different variation of 60-minute breakout as well. So we went over the NASDAQ first. It had this huge tick pullback trade. ES also had the tick pullback trade, plus 1,200 on the day. Came all the way, sharp move down, got in, stayed with it, rolled over, went back to these lows, and then rallied. So a lot of chop to get to these highs. Ideally we like to see these nice trends where the market goes up and then it kind of pulls back a little bit, not much, and then goes up again. And so what we're seeing is this move up, and then it rolls over, and then it moves up again. And so you still get this, but it's kind of a distorted version. If you could imagine rotating this around, so intraday, if you rotate this around, it's more like that. And so you don't get much net difference on the day when you draw a line through the middle. There's not a lot of difference except right here at the end. And so that's one of the reasons why we hold this for a long time. We like to get out the very end of the day, 1 minute before the 4:15 p.m., 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time close. or 3:15 Central Standard Time, 4:15 Eastern Time. Other ES trades, 60-minute breakout ES. One winner, one loser, around break even on the day for that. Cobra 3 ES stopped out minus 625. Would be great to have a delayed entry version of this, where you get in when it's stopped out and then trade. So wait for it to get stopped out, or wait till it stops going down and then buy it as it goes back up. Some sort of delayed entry would be great on some of these, the way this market is right now. Plus 912.50 on adaptive moving average. Three pretty good days in a row. Actually, that one was break even. It gave back a lot at the end of the day. So 2 good days in a row on the long side. And those are the trades on the day for the ES and the NQ gold. This trade hurt us last night. Also on the Moderna news, gold market just slammed down. This is treated like a safe haven asset, and the vaccine, any sort of vaccine news you see coming out can tend to slam gold. So you see gold got slammed, but it came right back, mean reverted back, and so maybe we'll see gold move higher now. These were the only 2 trades in gold: Asia Gold 4 long and Asia Gold 4 2020 long. Silver, no trades. Crude oil, no trades. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Euro, small trade here, minus 56.25. Soybeans, stopped out on soybean swing, minus 425. Plus 275 on SR counter trend 2 soybeans. This is a nice looking trade. Not a lot of range though, so not a lot of profit per contract that could be achieved on this trade. It hit its $300 profit target. You could have achieved a little bit more profit getting in a little bit lower, exiting a little bit higher, but did a good job getting most of the range on this. So good job on that SR counter trend. Soybean swing struggled. The way this gets in, he's taking these strong moves at the open, and the market's then going the other way, and so it's more mean reverting, but it's still maintaining these 1150 levels, soybeans, so I'm looking for a higher move in soybeans. So the beta strategies, we had VSD, it's long tonight on the new session. It got in, stopped out on this move, and then got right back in down here and took this trade into the close, held it all the way to the 5 p.m. exit, 5 Eastern, 4 Central exit, and was up 1140 on the day, including this trade right here. So we include our loser and winner. It's up 1140 on the day, and it's back in the after hours, taking the trade. It's aggressive, and we're looking at the long only side right there. Viper ES stopped out. These are some of our beta strategies. Here's the gap continuation 2019 with the $700 stop loss. It was stopped out. EVP2 gold, no trades. No trades here on dynamic tick pullback. Tick fader lost, minus 625 on the day after 2 winners in a row. And EVP1 was down on the day. Those are the trades on the day for November the 16th, 2020.